Hi, my name is Caitlin Patton, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly use a fire extinguisher. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that the needle of the gauge on the side of the fire extinguisher is in the green zone. If it's not in the green zone, the fire extinguisher will not work properly and you'll need to get a new one. Make sure to check your fire extinguisher yearly and to get a new one every 10 years. The discharge time of the average fire extinguisher is between 10 and 20 seconds. And you also need to be aware of the range of your fire extinguisher. Most fire extinguishers have a range between 6 and 20 feet. This fire extinguisher's range is 6 feet, and this is critical to know so that you don't get burned, but you also are an effective distance away that you can put the fire out. Now, I'm going to be teaching you the PASS method, which is an acronym for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep, and this is a very easy way to remember how to use a fire extinguisher. So the first step is pull, and you're going to pull the pin out of the fire extinguisher, and this is going to activate the operating handle. The next step is aim, and you're going to aim at the base of the fire in order to put the fire out. Aiming at the top of the flames will not be effective in putting the fire out. The next step is squeeze, and this is where you're going to squeeze the handle and make sure you're aiming at the base of the fire. Squeeze in a controlled manner and it will release the agent. The final step is to sweep, and this is where you're going to sweep the fire extinguisher from side to side until the fire is completely out. And that is how you properly use a fire extinguisher. Thank you for watching this demonstration.